Now loading.
Welcome to another episode on SURDMAN. So today we are given this question to solve. Let's get down to it. Given that f equals mv squared over gr, make v the subject of formula. Let's say this. So the solution will be, now since we are looking for v, so we're going to have f equals mv squared over gr. Then we cross multiply, having mv squared equals fgr. Divide both sides by the coefficient of v squared, which is m first of all. Alright, please, before we continue, do well to follow us on our Facebook page at SURDMAN and on our YouTube channel at SURDMAN, also on our TikTok account at SURDMAN. Thank you. So divide both sides by the coefficient of v squared, having v squared equals fgr over m. Now remember, whenever square crosses an equality sign becomes power. If power crosses, it becomes root. So this is power, crossing it becomes root. So we have v equals the square root of fgr over m. Thank you. Bye-bye.